Magswim ko. So, I'm heading now to Masaw Beach para madugonggan akong kilometer. Kaya we did only 16 kilometers kay grabe dito ka kusog sa ulan ganina. Nag-standby pa mi sa Gaisano, Butuan. So karon, because I got 16 kilometers, gagamay naman feeling ako. So, now I'm going to Masaw Beach in Butuan City. So, okay guys. Okay, money ang way. Oh, Lazada daw. Heading to Masaw now. Masaw Beach. Muna yung view na actually, Suwatan pa ko. Barangay Suwatan. So, approaching to Barangay Masaw. There's a bird. Manakitan. So, nice siya guys. Actually, the weather is not really good. So, padayon lang. See you then. Okay guys, approaching to Masaw Beach na ko. Ano yung itsura dere? Pasulod. It's a green grass of hope. Yeah guys. Approaching. Ay! Approaching to Masaw Beach. Nagkapadyo kayo ko an green grass. Grass. So, landong dali guys. Pag ting-init. Karge. Not good weather man. So, okay. Guys, approaching. Nagyan ko sa bridge. Going to Masaw Beach. Yes. Ano niya siya? Bridge na nagsanad. Approaching to Masaw Bridge. Guys, so this is a Masaw Bridge. Okay guys, nandito ko sa Masaw Beach. A little bit raining. Pero dagdag nyo maligo dito. Siguro nag-training na, mga nag-training ni guys kay hapit na ang triathlon sa Butuan City. BH triathlon. So, mga nag-training sila guys og swimming. Yeah, I'm planning to join but relay only. So, mana siya guys. Dari man i-held ang triathlon this May 13, 2023. So, mana beach. Mani ang Masaw Beach. Yeah, it's a black sand. Yeah, guys. Sila mga nag-training, nag-swimming. They're very good. Actually, dali pa ko nag-training before guys. Actually, I tried to be a swimmer 2016. Pero wala. Hindi ako makonquer ang kaning open water. Kabalo ko mag-swim guys, but ang akong hadlock na mawala. So, money siya. Okay. Now, pabalik na po ko sa ang balay. Bye-bye. So, mga to guys. I hope you will watch my short video on YouTube. And follow me. Follow me. And subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye-bye. Bulaklak. Mama, chup-chup.